What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack's new Airbnb. I posted a Instagram story. If you want to see it, it's on my Instagram. Just in case the market gets too hot, we got a fire extinguisher right here. Good one, Jackson. Pretty corny. So we're going to go over Gala'S games. We're sitting at 0.02291. We're down 1.5 on the day. A couple of scenarios to look at. Market cap 638 million. 25 volume 41 million. So up into the charts. So couple of scenarios. We could be pushing up in the wave 3 in a 1-2-1-2 setup. So this is the wave 3 and you would see 1-2 1-2, but if this low is broken, this previous low 0.02242, then I would look at little head and shoulders, left shoulder head, potential right shoulder. Then I would look at leading diagonal. So you see the alt 1 here, so you have leading diagonal and a 5-wave move. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, leading diagonal, pull back, and a wave 2 potentially to this support here at about 0.0217, push up. Those are the two scenarios I'm looking at. If we break the low, it is what it is. We create a lower low. All that means is that this was the completion of the wave 3. This was the wave 4 pullback, and you come down, you create a lower low. We haven't broke that bullish confirmation just yet. But the two scenarios that I'm more focused on right now, if we continue to break down, we break this low here, this local low, 0.0224. Then I would look at a deeper pullback and a leading diagonal. But if we bounce and we see continuation to the upside, then we're pushing up in the wave 3 and it's just a 1-2-1-2 setup. But we do have a head and shoulders forming, so keep that in mind. If we look at the daily time frame, we're sitting in our pullback zone. We're in 3 Gala'S trades right now. This trade we already hit TP3 and locked in 80% gains, but we're into other Gala'S trades that are ongoing, as well as a trade for VeChain and XRP. You can get free access at the end of the video. So this is a normal bouncing zone. We can come down to the 78.6, but pretty normal for a wave 2 to bounce off the 61.8, which is where we're seeing a little bit of reaction. That bullish divergence on the money flows almost crossed the 50. If it crossed the 50, that would be a good sign. And we need to get back above those daily EMAs if we're going to see that continuation. If we get rejected, we roll. It is what it is. That's why I like to swing trade. I keep my stop loss a little bit lower so I can allow for the trade to play out. But to each their own. So that's what I'm looking at for Gala'S. If we break this low, 0.0224, then I would look for a deeper... Oh, I thought somebody was at my door, but it's just some banging outside. Deeper wave 2 if we break that low. Otherwise, if we were to push up, we break that local high, then we can continue up in the wave 3. Watch that head and shoulders. I'll give you a quick target for that. See where it would take you, probably right to our wave 2 target. A little bit lower, but I don't think we'd... Well, we could potentially come that low, but we do have support here at 0.0216. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN. We'll quickly let it load up here. Make your first deposit. Email me after that. I'll give you completely free access to my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. We're in multiple trades, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis. We're about to hit TP1 on US oil, 400 pips. Euro USD, it's on its way down. I think we're in some other trades for Forex. We have setups. We definitely have setups ready to go. Trade crypto, trade Forex all in one place with a deposit. Sign up and deposit to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders. Send me email after that first deposit, completely free access. Over 2,600 members. If you want direct access, $10 a month, sign up to the Patreon. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.